Hello, welcome to this 2-minute tips video. In this video, I'm going to explain how you can use folder colors within Lightroom to keep a track of where you're up to with your image processing. Hello, welcome to In Studio. I'm Ian M. Butterfield. Do you ever have problems with Lightroom trying to remember which projects you've worked on, which still need things doing to them, which are complete, and which you haven't started? Well, let me show you a little tip which will help you. Let's go over into Lightroom. I'm going to take as my example these four shoots within the 2011 folder. Let's start looking at Strawberry Venom first of all. Well, I clearly haven't done much work on that at all. In fact, apart from the pick flags, I would say I haven't done that at all. So what I can do with this, if I right click on that folder, I can assign a color to it, add a color label to folder. If it's not been done, I might want to assign red to it. Michaela? Well, that looks like I've done some work on it, but I haven't finished it. So I'm going to add the colour of, let's say yellow to that. Oslo, well, that looks as though it's been done. So let's give that one a green. And Katie, oh, that's done as well. So I can add the colour label of green to that. Now what this means is I've got a very quick, easy visual traffic light system for being able to see which folders I need to work on. Not only that, but if I do this to all my folders and I keep track of things this way, I can actually filter down very quickly to the folders I need to give attention to. We do that by coming up, clicking on the magnifying glass here, and where it says color labels, if I want to know the ones which I haven't started, I can say red, and it just shows me the folders with the red on, which is Strawberry Venom on there. And I can still look at the higher level and I see everything in 2011 at that level, but here the only folder it shows me is the one that's labeled red. I can have a look at the ones which are in progress by saying yellow, and that was the Michaela one. And if I want to know what's completed, I can quickly go to green. Also worth noting, under the colour labels, we can actually find any that I haven't yet assigned a colour label to by saying none. And all these, you'll notice the 2011 ones, there's nothing showing up underneath there because I've not assigned a colour to it. But all the others haven't got colours to them yet. And I can also say any which have got colours to, so it should just show me the 2011 ones. So there you go, a very quick way of categorising your folders and to be able to get to the ones that you're currently working on versus the ones which are complete. Nice simple way of doing it using just 3 of your colour labels. Hope you found it helpful. I'll see you in the next video.